In this video, I'll show you how to find the highest and lowest sales amount for a specific salesperson on a specific day. So you can see I have two tables. The first table contains date, salesperson and sales amount. Second table contains salesperson and day as a drop down. So I can easily change the salesperson and day name and the result will change accordingly. So you can see if I change the salesperson name, the result has changed. If I change the day name, the result will also change. Now I will change the salesperson and day name. First, I will return the day name. So I will use text function. Value will be my date, comma. In the format text, I will write 4 Ds to show the day name in full form. If I press enter, now I have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now I will return the sales amount based on two criteria. The first criteria will be salesperson Shah. Second criteria will be day name, which is Tuesday. So I will use the filter function. Array will be my sales amount, comma. In the include, I'll write my criteria. So the first criteria is the day name is equal to Tuesday. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter, it will return the sales amount of Tuesday. Now I will include my second criteria, which is the salesperson Shah. So I will select the salesperson is equal to Shah. If I close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter. Now this is the sales amount of Shah on Tuesday. Now I have to find which week each cell belongs to. So in that case, I will use the XMATCH function. So lookup value will be my sales amount, comma, and lookup array will also my sales amount. If I close the bracket and press enter, this is the week number of each cell. Now I will convert this week number into ordinal number, I mean first, second, third, fourth. So I will use the choose function. Index number will be my week number, comma. In the value, I'll write st. Second, I will write nd. Third will be rd, and last one will be th. So I have to maintain the order to show the result in correct order. If I close the bracket and press enter, now this is STNDRDTH. I will combine them. So I will select this array, use ampersand and press enter. Now the number has been converted into ordinal number. So this first, second, third and fourth. Now I will return the max value, which is the highest sales amount, and use the min function to return the minimum, I mean the lowest sales amount. You can see I have added multiple columns to return my result. So to keep everything clean and readable, I will now combine all the logic into one single formula using the let function. And with let, I can easily store intermediate calculation and reuse values. So let me write the let function. First name I will write v. You can write any other name, comma, and the first function I have used text function to return the day name. I'll select the date and I'll write 4 Ds to return the day name in full form. If I write v to see my result and close the bracket, press enter, you can see this is my day name. Now I will apply my condition. So the condition is that day name is equal to Tuesday. If I close the bracket, so I'll write v and close the bracket, press enter. Now it will return true if the day is Tuesday. Now I will apply my second condition. So let me enclose this formula and use multiplication sign. Now second criteria is salesperson is equal to Shah. If I close the bracket and press enter, it will return 1 if the salesperson is Shah and the day name is Tuesday. Now I will apply the filter function to return the sales amount. Filter, the array will be my sales amount, comma. In the include argument, I have already written my condition. So I will just close the bracket of filter function and press enter. Now this is my sales amount of Shah on Tuesday. Now I will return the week number. So I will write WN, which means week number. You can write any other name. I will use the XMATCH function. Lookup value will be V. Lookup array will also V. If I write WN to see my result, you can see I have the week order. Now I will convert this number into ordinal value. So I'll use choose function. Here I will write ON, which means ordinal number. I will press alter enter to create a new line. I will use the choose function. Index number will be WN and value will be ST, ND, RD and TH. If I close the bracket and write WN, you can see I have HTND. Now I will assign this value as a suffix after my number. So I will combine them. Value is WN, use ampersand and the value will be ON, which is ordinal number. I will press enter. Now I have first, second, third and fourth, comma. Now I will return my max value. So I will mx, use the max function, number will be V, bracket close. And again I will mn, which means minimum number, I mean the lowest number, and the formula will be mean and the value will be V. Now I will again press alter enter to create a new line. Now I will return my result. First is highest sales hyphen, then value, which is max value, ampersand, use the round bracket, and before the round bracket I will give a space. I'll close the inverted comma, use ampersand again and return the ordinal number. So I will use XLOOKUP function. Lookup value will be my max value, lookup array will be my value, and return array will be my J. I have to assign a name here. I will write J, which is my joint value, comma. Now I will use ampersand again. Here I will write the space, again ampersand, and select the day name, use ampersand and close the bracket. If I close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see this is my expected result and this is the first part. I have to return the second part. Now I will select this part. I'll just change the value and cell reference. Now I will use car. It will create a new line. Ampersand alter enter to create a new line. Control V. I will change the value. It will be lowest sales. In the mx I'll write mn. Here I will also write mn, which means minimum value. If I close the bracket, press enter, and you can see this is my expected result. In the comment section of my LinkedIn post, you can see there are many other alternative solutions shared by the experts. I will share the link of this post so that you can also apply this alternative solution. I hope you like my approach. See you in the next video. Bye bye.